Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your videos for any social media platform in Cardboard. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very easy way of adjusting the video style as well as the export quality, as well as the aspect ratio and the audience that is found on a particular social media platform. So quite simply, we're going to do this in natural language. On the right hand side, you're in your project, and on the right hand side, we're going to type in exactly what we need. Optimize this project for a younger, more energetic audience on Instagram. Now, what you can do is click on send, and that is literally it. You can already see it's changed the aspect ratio. On the top right, you can change it manually, but instead of changing everything manually, all you'll have to do is optimize this project for whatever social media platform you want and whatever audience, whatever it is that you'd like, go ahead and do so. It's going to give you some suggestions. It's going to ask you to pick one. So like your music, it's going to ask you to pick. If you're adding captions, it's going to ask you for your caption style. If you're adding a voiceover, it's going to ask you for a particular voice maybe that you're interested in using. Whatever it is, go ahead and choose whatever best suits your needs. And now you can see that we are optimizing this video project for a particular, not just any social media, but a particular social media platform.